Welcome to a tutorial on how to get set up in Ahrefs. First of all, look for the setting where you create your project just in the top left hand corner of the Ahrefs website. Now it will bring you up an import page and all you have to do is select add manually. Now it will bring you up the create a project screen and all you do is take your website address, everything after the http www. And then just take the remaining part of the domain.com or whatever it is and paste it in the part that says domain or path at the top. Now you have to just wait for it to recognize your domain. It just takes a few moments. And when it goes green, that's you ready for the next stage. Now you'll be faced with a domain ownership screen, and all you do is you select generate unique token and then download the verification file. Then log into your Cpanel and go to File Manager. Open up the public HTML folder and go into the WordPress installation. Now inside the upload section, just drag and drop your file where it says drop files here to start uploading, and that should upload, and then you can come back to your Ahrefs, recheck the status, and it should take a few minutes to load, and then ownership should be verified, and then you can arrange your site audit. So I hope you enjoy that tutorial. Thanks very much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and if you can, share the video. Thanks a lot, have a great day and see you next time. Bye bye.